Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oats ca chilla. First, collect your ingredients. 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of gram flour, and your favorite spices. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 1 small tomato, and 1 small piece of ginger. Don't forget to prepare a few green chilies and fresh coriander for a burst of flavor. A pinch of asafoetida adds a unique touch to this healthy dish. Now let's prepare the batter. First, blend the rolled oats into a fine powder using a mixer. Transfer the oat powder to a bowl and mix it with the gram flour. Add all your chopped vegetables, spices, and about 2 cups of water. Stir everything together until you achieve a smooth, consistent batter without any lumps. Let it rest for 10 minutes. It's time to cook your delicious chilla. Heat a non-stick pan over medium flame and lightly grease it with a few drops of oil. Pour 1 ladle of the batter onto the hot pan, spreading it evenly in a circular motion to form a thin chilla. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it turns golden brown and crispy. Repeat for the remaining batter. Your healthy and delicious oats chilla is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with your favorite green chutney, tomato ketchup, or a side of cool yogurt. A sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves makes for a beautiful garnish and adds extra freshness. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for a nutritious breakfast or a light meal. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.